Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use passkeys on Coinbase. Passkeys provide a significantly more secure and user-friendly way to access your account, moving beyond traditional passwords. To get started, simply sign into your Coinbase account, either through a web browser or the mobile app. Once logged in, head over to your security settings. There, you will find the option to set up a passkey. You will need to verify your identity using an existing two-factor authentication method, like an Authenticator app code, to proceed. Once your passkey is set up, logging into Coinbase becomes incredibly simple and fast. When you reach the login screen, choose the passkey option instead of typing in your password. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using its native security features. This could be a quick fingerprint scan, facial recognition, or entering your device's secure PIN. This process typically takes only a few seconds, offering a much smoother and quicker entry into your account compared to traditional methods. Passkeys bring substantial security enhancements to your Coinbase account. Unlike passwords, which can be guessed or stolen, passkeys use advanced cryptography to create a unique, unguessable code for each login. This makes them highly resistant to common threats like phishing attacks and credential stuffing. Your passkey is stored securely on your device, not on Coinbase's servers, significantly reducing the risk of large-scale data breaches. Plus, you no longer need to remember complex passwords, making your login experience both safer and more convenient. Managing your passkeys is typically done through your device's settings or your chosen cloud password manager, such as Google Password Manager or iCloud Keychain. It is crucial to exercise caution. Never delete a passkey unless you are absolutely sure you no longer need it, as this could lead to losing access to your account. For maximum flexibility and peace of mind, consider using a cloud-based passkey solution, which allows seamless access across multiple devices. If you ever face difficulties, Coinbase support is ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.